Hey everybody, Custom Mike's here. I was out having lunch with my wife, come out in the parking lot and find this thing right here. And it's pretty cool. A little drag truck of some sort with an enormous flathead in it. Jeez. Very cool. Very, very cool. Total all-purpose driven, gigantic little hot rod with a wing in the back. Anyway, I just wanted to share the fun stuff. I've never seen anything like this one, and I don't think I've seen the flathead before either. But it sure looks cool. A little inside, not much here, but it's all business. So anyway, ooh, that's cool too. We'll end on that. Thanks for hanging at Custom Mike's. See ya.